heroin epidemic is skyrocketing in the Tri-State. Over 2 days, there have been at least 78 overdoses and 3 deaths in Hamilton County alone. And it's likely that number will go up significantly. The city is scrambling to get these overdoses under control and get the heroin off the streets. Now on your sides, Tom McKee begins our team coverage with the latest.
Leaders of the Hamilton County Heroin Task Force are begging users of drugs tonight not to use heroin until they determine exactly what's in the drug that's on the streets that's caused more than 78 overdoses in just the past 2 days. But task force members say those are just the reported cases and don't include hospital and health department data. So the numbers could go higher.
We're unsure if someone overdosed, was brought back with Narcan and just didn't call the police or didn't go to the hospital.
Speaking of Narcan, the Cincinnati Health Department is now requiring that every one of its employees at its 7 health centers be able to administer the life-saving drug.
Each health center may have 10 to 15 people, but I want to branch out to our receptionists. I'm going to branch out to our maintenance people who are outside driving the truck back and forth from one center to another.
Ohio Governor John Kasich talked about a different kind of prevention to a judicial conference on opiates in Cincinnati Thursday.
These are battles we need to win so that we can wage a more effective war.
For the governor, that means teachers pitching an anti-drug message to young people in schools as early as possible.
You're in the first grade, teacher gets up, says, you know, drugs are really bad. People die from doing drugs. That's all you need to say.
That conference also heard from Ohio Supreme Court Chief Justice Maureen O'Connor. Her message was that while criminal courts are for drug sellers, users are best handled in drug courts.
The drug courts mandate treatment. There is a treatment plan. It is brought together by not just the judge, but treatment professionals and monitors, and obviously the defendant is involved, and oftentimes you have support of family.
All this comes as the Ohio Department of Health released new data showing a huge spike in the number of heroin fentanyl deaths. There were 84 in 2013, and last year, more than 1,100. Tom McKee, 9 on your side, downtown.